Hi, I'm Captain Chris. This issue of Southern Boating Magazine, we talk about some other type of fishing accessories: jack plates, smart trolling motors, and power poles. In the days when I was growing up, we used things like this: boat poles. We would take the boat and we would aim it where we wanted to go, cut the motor off, drift into our desired location, take the boat pole or a paddle, put it overboard, stick it down in the seafloor, soft sand or mud, and then we would lash the boat to it. That was the way that we did it. Now we've got jack plates where you can actually jack the outboard motor up to run in shallower water, slow speeds. And then we've got the power pole, which is a hydraulic pole that's deployed off the stern of your boat that actually goes down into the seafloor, much like my boat pole or my paddle did the same job. And then we've got smart trolling motors that are GPS enabled. You can use a handheld controller and you can aim the boat or drive the boat like an autopilot would do. And then when you get to the desired location, you can push the anchor lock or the spot lock button, and then the electric trolling motor would use GPS technology and hold you on location. Next up, we've got a quick video at the Palm Beach Boat Show explaining more details about the Kraken smart trolling motor. Stick around. I'm with Marino from Garmin, and we're talking about the trolling motor with the anchor lock, the dynamic positioning system, and take it away.
All right, so this is the wireless remote for the Force Kraken. One of the features on here is that it will actually follow your hand and steer the boat. So if I hold down this button right here, the M with a circle in it, it will then follow my hand of where I want to go. I can also set a course by just pointing this and it'll follow that course. The other thing you want to talk about was the routing. So in here I can create a route just by touching a spot, hitting route 2, create myself an easy route, and then it'll immediately ask me if it wants to engage in that route. I hit engage, and now the autopilot, the trolling motor, will take us along that route.
Okay, great. So what are some of the do-it-yourself repairs? Circuit breakers, fuses, batteries in the handheld unit?
Yeah, batteries in the handheld unit. I mean, other than that, it's really just making sure that the prop stays good. But other than that, there really isn't a whole lot of user repairs built into this, and there's not a whole lot that's going to end up going wrong.
Okay, great. Thank you. I appreciate your help.